Search on for suspects linked to the killing of a 5-year-old girl in Duhaney Park. Hi again and welcome. This is Link 7 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the details to come. Welcome to Link 7 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Link 7 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Link 7 TV News Report. Police have launched a search for two men identified as suspect linked to the killing of a 5-year-old girl in Duhaney Park, St. Andrew. Reports are that about 1 a.m. on October the 7th, the child Denique Solomon was at home sleeping when she was hit by a stray bullet as gunmen traded gunfire in the streets of the community.
About 1 o'clock, there was some shooting outside. After the shooting, I get flat. My older daughter called me and said, Mommy, look and then. When I look, I see blood coming out my baby mouth. Her eyes pulping, so I called 119. I didn't take her off the bed because I was saying that the shot wouldn't reach around there. But I guess I was wrong.
The police said that the two suspects have been identified as Theodore Bear, O.C. Theo, a 30-year-old bus conductor of Duhaney Terrace, Kingston 20, and Anthony Reynolds, O.C. Son, a 29-year-old man of Marlborough, New Haven. The police said that Bear is of same build, brown complexion, and about 5 feet 9 inches tall, sported plaited hairstyle, while Reynolds is also of same build, bleach brown complexion, low-cut hairstyle, and walked with a limp. The police is carrying out an intensive investigation in order to ascertain the real motive behind the shooting in the community that led to the death of the 5-year-old Denique Solomon. The family as well is really shaken about the recent development and is also asking for the public's assistance in finding these individuals. We'll continue to track this story and provide you with more information to come on this. This has been Link 7 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.